Schwab. Nothing good today. Wait, what? From Chobani? We got a letter from Chobani.
Nice.
Oh, custom Chobani card. Very nice.
Wait.
Oh,
Yeah. There is some.
No, all right. Happy. I don't even.
What?
Happy something Melinda.
Happy.
Savvy?
Happy Savvy.
Serious?
Savvy.
Happy. No.
Happy.
This is a disaster, guys.
Jack, what does it say from Chobani? What does it say from Chobani?
Happy savings?
No.
Oh, happy savings.
Chobani coupons.
75 cents.
We got
And
there.
Melinda's the person who wrote the
All
card.
right, Bonnie.
It's from Melinda. Okay. Oh my god.
Big bonus. Big bonus, $3.
That was coming my way.
Oh, buy one, get one free. Whoa.
More Chobani.
All right, now it's the real package, right here.
I can't breathe. Rob can't breathe.
Also, out of breath.
Whoa. These are different. This is different.
What is it?
We got another letter from Chobani.
Real cash.
This is for you.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Dude, now we're loaded on coupons. We're loaded on coupons now on Chobani coupons. Enjoy.
Savings. Okay.
Enjoy wishes for a great weekend.
Keep in touch.
Keep in touch. From Melissa. Thank you, Melissa.
Melissa.
From
This
Chobani.
is not saving. This is happy spring.
Yeah, but this is savings
Oh,
though.
maybe this is
And happy spring. From Melissa at Chobani.
Thank you,
Oh,
Melissa.
yeah.
Is it Melissa or Melinda?
Oh,
If we appreciate
sorry.
both.
Yeah,
of them.
Melinda.
Wait,
we
hang
got
on,
two
did
cards.
these come at the same time?
At the same
So
time.
This came with this. They all came at the same time.
So they purposely separated out the coupons.
They did.
Oh wow.
These coupons are actually just for me.
Okay.
And then
You do
we got
deserve
new. Oh, we got different Chobani hats. We got maroon.
Dude, this is
We got
And that's my
one,
favorite, because like
two.
my cherry.
We got 4 maroon hats for our new club members in
Incredible.
Chobani.
Yeah, I'm missing a hat, please.
Do?
Yeah, thank you.
Zach, you want to come in for a hat?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need a hat.
All right, Zach is our executive producer on this shoot. And we have 2 hats left over for future Chobani members.
Finance.
Thank you, Chobani.